Welcome guys to another day, another banger, another YouTube channel video. So today I'm in the kitchen. I'm cooking ngwashe arrots. As you can see, I'm boiling them for lunch. So this is how we blow fire. Use this tube mask to blow the fire. Yeah, I'm boiling the arrots. Yeah, the fire's gone on. So that's a success. Yeah, I'm grateful to be here. Yeah, so the fire is on. Let's go and explore other places. Yeah, the dog is over there. Yeah, let's go explore the forest today. Today I'm not in the house. We're going to see one of the trees. I planted a tree down there. Let's go and check it. How it's going. How the hell is going on. So yeah, first of all, let's check it out over here. Check over here. Check the cleanness of this place. See how beautiful it is. And there's no troll glasses as you can see. Yeah, grateful of this day. See that? They're piling so quick. Yeah, piling up the dirt so quickly. So the place is clean. Yeah. Let's go and check our tree. Down here. The tree. We're going to check it out. So today it's not so sunny. There are clouds over here today. Yeah. It's not so sunny so much. Yeah, oh my, the road is covered with tall grass. Whoa, I don't know how we'll pass down there. See, Napier grass has gone so tall. See, because of the short rain. But it was drizzling this side, so it was drizzling. Yeah, I don't know how I'll pass there. Let me go and see how we'll do it. Because the tree is present at the far end of the chamber. Because of this short rain, I know it's growing land, but oh my, see, how will I pass down there? The grass is so tall. These guys mission failed today. So this guys is our kitchen garden, as you can see. Kitchen garden, a simple kitchen garden, kumawiki, spinach over here. Yeah, spinach over there, avocado tree, banana stems, also sugarcane. Here you grow sugarcane. They tend to grow well. Down there is a mango tree. Yeah, we're grateful for having a very beautiful kitchen garden. Down there there's a building. Yeah, so this is how our forest looks like. The forest looks like this. Better view, better landscapes, and also trees. But then we keep on growing these trees. Trees keeps the environment cool. As you can hear, birds are chirping. But then the sounds of birds in a place indicate the place is so healthy, so calm. Yeah, that's the goodness of keeping trees, having trees at your place. Yeah. So I guess the mission has failed today. I was to go and check the tree down there, but no one to me. It won't make it today. But I remember, and my uncle told me to go and check on the fire, the charcoal. But that I shown you charcoal, how we burn charcoal over here. Then go and check if the fire is still burning. Yeah, the fire is still burning in here. The fire is still burning. Here there is a toilet. It is an outside toilet. See, not yet completed, but yeah, this is how we build them. Build them with the yellow stones and sands. Yeah. So let's go and check the charcoal if it's still on fire, because I asked them if the fire is still burning. They said it is still burning. I don't know if it is still burning. Let me go and check, because we had lit it yesterday. So we should be now having fire, great fire, Jacobani. Don't know if it's still burning. I knew it. The pool went off. There's no fire. Here, and I'm here, can see it. So yesterday, this is the work that we did. We fenced with the chain link, as you can see, so no animal can pass through and come to this side. And also there is also fenced, as you can see. So this is to put away animals. Yeah, we are here yesterday with my uncle, making sure the land is properly clean. As you can see all the shrubs are put and the dust are burnt down. Keep the land so clean. So yeah, oh see, I knew it, the fire went off. Should be lit again. This is how we burn charcoal here. Burn charcoal like this. As you can see, there's no fire. They say there will be fire. Here there's a breather hole, but you can see the fires went off. You see, we cover it with the put not dried leaves to able to hold the soil, not to switch off the fire. So you can see there's no fire. I need to call him and tell them the fire went off, but one of them said he'll come and check it out. Yeah, so there's no fire. Let's just walk over here, walk through past through this road. There's a route over here. Go and check it out. Check out some good. But I see in this on my area we plant the trees. We love trees over here. These trees make this place wonderful, look great, as you can see. And also there's a trench to keep soil erosion from pulling down the soil down to the farm. So yeah, this is a trench to keep the water at this side, this part side, the upper side of the farm. Yeah, so we are walking through this path to check out how the area is, how the view. You see the view is very beautiful. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. See birds over here. When they're not afraid of anybody. You can see birds. There's a bird here, or just right now, 2 minutes ago. You can see this is how the view is. This is how good looking this place looks like. See shrubs everywhere. But then you may be asking me, are there wild animals? I've never found anyone, but you can when you find strange holes, I think there are mole holes. See how beautiful it is. When you come and chill over here, enjoy the breeze. See how beautiful the place is. It's been long since I came here. The last time I came here I was so young. So yeah, this is the cool view of this place. I enjoy being at this place. You see, every corner is covered with trees because you adore trees in this place. Yeah, and also the goodness of this tree. When you cut down, you should cut down at the system of cutting down the tree so it can grow back. As you can see here, the tree was cut down. See, and it grew back into 1, 2, 3, 4 trees. So this is the goodness of these trees. When you cut one, they go into 4 to 3. See another one here. They're now big. It was cut, now it has 2. So the goodness of this tree. See another one. It was cut, now it has 3 stems growing out of it. The goodness of these trees. And also you cut it. The cutting is managed, because when you cut here, you cut another place, you cut another place, you cut another place. So yeah, the cutting is managed. Like you can see here, there's the tree that is not cut. There it was cut. You see, the cutting is so managed, because if you cut anyhow, the trees will be growing on a very bad actually. I can see another one here. It was cut, now it has 2 bulbs. So yeah, there's good news of planting this. But if you have a farm dormant anywhere, you can plant these trees. These trees are good for commercial. They're used to bring out woods. When they grow big, they are cut down and they produce woods. When they are in this size, they build structures like the one I'm going to show you over there. Yeah, so they are good trees to plant them on a dormant land. This is the structure. You can use them to build the houses. As you can see, you can build houses with the trees. Yeah, so that's the goodness of those trees. Yeah, goodness of being at my village. But farms have been sold over here. Check them out. Kikuyu, Nashu Kikuyu. So yeah, if you want to come and stay this side, it's a good place to build retirement homes. Yeah, come enjoy, stay with us at this place, enjoy the calmness, enjoy the peacefulness of this place. It's a great place to be. It's a great place to be, and come and enjoy staying here. So you're back home. You can see you're back home. Let's go and check on the arrows if the fire still burning. But the fire still burning. That's a good sign. So guys, I guess the video will end here. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you on the next one.